Hi, it's Lynette here, and today I have my Latestinbeauty. It's the December edit and it's called Beauty from Home Festive edit. So, we dig in. If you're new to Latestinbeauty, I think your options only at the moment are to get a 6-item box. However, if you were a previous customer, you could have the option of 3, 6 or 9, but you had to be with them at the time that they made the changes. So now there's one fixed price for the 6-item box. I continue to get the 9-item box for £18 a month. So if in case you wonder why people are talking about the 6-item box and you maybe see that I'm getting 9. But anyway, if you want a code, it's below somewhere in my description box. I always forget to say that, by the way. And if you're watching this video, please feel free to give me a thumbs up and like, it all helps. And if you haven't subscribed, why not? I always forget to do that, but today, for one day only, I've remembered. So the first item I see here, it's quite a heavy box, is Dr. Teals Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution. Now, there we go. So this is, it has eucalyptus and spearmint, so it's magnesium, Epsom salts, magnesium sulfates with essential oils. So it relaxes your body and relieves your mind, helps and soften and smooth your skin. So this is 450 grams and it's a product of the USA. Now, Epsom salts are supposed to be really good for people who suffer with pain, and if you follow me, you'll know that I have a pain condition, a chronic pain condition. So I do occasionally have a bath with Epsom salts. So yeah, I wanted to try this one, and I love anything kind of minty or eucalyptus. I find them really relaxing, although I think they're supposed to kind of be quite stimulating, but I find them relaxing anyway. So yep, I was pleased to see that. The next item I've got is the Zoeva Spice of Life Highlighter. There you go. So I'm going to open that to show you. However, I am planning on sending a wee makeup bag full of things now. I need to check and see if they're cruelty free. I'm sure Zoeva is before I send it on to this lady who has a YouTube channel. And yeah, she's just really lovely. So I thought I would send her a makeup box. So I picked up different bits and pieces from Latestinbeauty to send. So the packaging's gorgeous, isn't it, on the Zoeva? So there's the highlighter there, so Sweet Relief and Sinfully Delicious. They're gorgeous. You could use those colours on your eyes as well. So I'm not going to swatch them because I am sending it as part of a gift. And you don't want my fingers in anything that I'm sending to you, do you? Sometimes I'll swatch a palette and I'll say to friends, yeah, you can have it, I've swatched it, but yeah, not to something that I had intended to send as a gift. There we go. So yeah, I was pleased to see that there. Zoeva's a great brand. I also picked up the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So I got this in the last box. There's 100ml. This I haven't actually tried it yet, but I thought I'll get it while it's still in there. So it's a leave-in treatment. I like anything that you leave in. So Aveda's a really good brand. It's quite expensive as well. And the next item here, so this is another item that I'm going to be popping in the makeup bag that I'm sending over. So it's from Sport FX and it's the HIT Highlighter High Intensity Illuminating Trio. I like what they did there. Now, I'm sure Sport FX, I'm sure I checked that Sport FX is vegan friendly. So look at the size of that highlighter. It comes with the mirror, the size of the compact, and look at these. So I'm aware it's actually 3 highlighters that 2 highlighters that I'm sending, so 5 different highlighters, but she can share them with her daughter if she likes. So that was that one. The next item I picked up for myself was an eyeliner lash adhesive. Now I've tried the magnetic eyelashes before, but the thing I struggle with regular eyelashes is putting on the adhesive. Now I thought using lash base here, so I thought using this eyeliner lash adhesive, that's fantastic, isn't it? I'm going to pop some on the back of my hand. That is ideal, isn't it? So it goes on like your eyeliner. I've never seen a product quite like this. I saw Marie open this one but I can do my eyeliner, so I am hoping that this might revolutionise putting lashes on. I'm just not into the fiddly stuff. I just don't have the dexterity for it. Now, I picked up this. It's Awela Invigo Colour Brilliance with Lime Caviar hair mask. I picked up one of these previously, but I popped it in my sister's advent calendar, so I do fancy trying this. I love a hair mask. I'm just wondering, I just want to check this. Oh, it's tacky. Oh, that could, I think that could be a game changer. I just wonder if it'll stay on. Might need to do a wee test for you and you can laugh at me. So this next item here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think this must be a freebie, because I don't think I ordered this. So it's from the company War Paint for Life. Look Good, Feel Better. It's a detailed eyeliner brush. Now this company gives a percentage of their profits to cancer charities. So it's 25 years. Look Good, Feel Better has been supporting and helping to boost the physical and emotional well-being of patients undergoing treatment for all types of cancer. By purchasing this product, you will help us to provide workshops, information and online support. So yeah, I think that's definitely a freebie because I didn't order that one. But it will be quite good actually for doing makeup looks. So if I wanted to do an eyeliner and I didn't have an eyeliner that colour, you can use this, dip this in, I think it helps if you wet it, and you can dip it into an eyeshadow and create a coloured eyeliner of your choice. So I need to try that. This next one, talk about loving a hair mask, eh? So this is by Natura and it's a restoring hair mask and it is vegan. We use fair trade biodiversity ingredients from the Amazon, 200 grams. So I really do hope it is fair trade, like they say. Always wary of companies that kind of make all these claims, but this seems to be a really good kind of legit company. And it's Muru Muru. It just seems, for me, my issue is, you know, items from the Amazon. I think it's just like kind of trucking it here and shipping it and what have you. So it's got the silver seal, but I am going to open it because I will use this. It's got a nice smell, nice, and it smells. Now it looks a kind of horribly grey colour, sludgy, but it's just the colour of the bottle. So inside it's a creamy colour. It's got a nice smell to it. It's not overpowering. But what are the products that come from the Amazon? Because there's nothing on here unless, oh, peel the label. There's a peel off label. I like to know what's in this. So it says enriched with, it's closed on me, Muru Muru butter. Our mask penetrates the hair fibre, deeply nourishes the strands, decreasing porousness. It penetrates the hair shaft and aligns the cuticles. Helps local Brazilian communities preserve thousands of palm trees. Now I am all for that. The amount of palm trees that are cut down because palm oil goes in everything. So yeah, look for an alternative to palm oil if you can in your product. You'll be surprised at what it's in, and we're against animal testing. So I am really glad that I opened that. So any company that helps protect the palm trees. The reason they're so important is because they're the habitat of the orangutan, and when that's cut down they have nowhere to go, and it's horrendous. So yes, fantastic brand, fantastic product, fantastic ethos. I can get right behind that. I will do a review for you on that. So this next one is something that I've got for myself, but it's going in the bag. It's Anika Organic, certified organic lipstick crayon in rose petal. There we go. And it is vegan and cruelty free. It can be vegan without being cruelty free, which I don't agree with. Vegan just means it doesn't contain any products that have come from animals. And that also includes, you know, like honey, beeswax, things like that as well, where the animals might not be harmed, but it's an animal product. So yeah, I always think if I was vegan, I wouldn't want a product that had been tested on animals. So this is the lip crayon here, and I'll just open it to show you. It's absolutely stunning colour on. So that's going in the bag. I'm going to send a makeup bag. with just different bits and pieces in it. I've already collected some items, so I'll need to check. Joe Smith is my go-to person for whether a brand is vegan or not. So yeah, I'll be contacting Joe and saying, is this vegan? So one last item here. Oh, I have been using the Earthkind shampoo and conditioning bars. They are amazing. I'm going to do a review on them because they're so good. They've blown me away. The conditioning bar, I thought, not a hope on my hair, because even when I use a really thick conditioner, I still often have to put a leave-in conditioner on. So this little bar of conditioning stuff, you know, that you just swipe through, that's going to not even touch the sides. Wow, it is amazing. I'm blown away. So I will do a review in the shampoo as well. The reason I kind of thought I'd try them was because I've been having a really itchy scalp. I'll do a video on it, but wow, I am blown away. So this next product has a lot to live up to. It's Earthkind, and it's for frequent use citrus leaf shampoo bar. It says kind to your hair, kind to your planet, ethically sourced and plastic free. So the good thing about these products is, although it's got some cardboard, it's usually, you know, it's easy to recycle cardboard. However, it doesn't have the water that a shampoo would have in it as well, and it doesn't have single-use plastic. Now, I'm not against plastic. However, I think that we should be having more places that we can fill up to reuse. So keep saying it, the Body Shop used to do it when I was young. You refilled your bottle, you didn't get a new bottle. You know, I think Lush, you can take back tubs, but you used your bottle and they refilled it for you. We need places that do that. I know there's a local places, but I don't know anywhere local to me. So I thought I would try this. So this is clean and conditioning and moistures the hair and scalp, mild enough for daily use, after sports and for travelling. So yeah, this lasts approximately 20 washes. So 20 washes for me would be a bottle of shampoo. So this is what it looks like. There you go. And oh, it does smell citrusy. Remember to store in a dry place so it lasts longer. That's what it says there. So yeah, I wouldn't actually store them in my shower. I leave them outside, but you can buy dishes. I've seen them on the Earthkind website that you can pop them in, that allows them to drain, but it keeps them dry as well. So yeah, I'm really pleased with my products this month. And there's also a little leaflet here from Natura. So it says, let's dream together, discover our brand. They do the best face masks ever. With zero animal cruelty, fair trade Brazilian company. So it's a fair trade Brazilian company, has conquered hundreds of millions happy customers all over the world with not only its passion for making the most effective skin and hair care products with Amazonian ingredients, but also its protection of the Amazon forest, its respect to women, and so many other commitments. I did not know that. Try it out now if you're looking for ethical and vegan holiday gifts and enjoy. So you get 20% off their website, which is www.natura.com, and it says it's the LIB box. So that's the code that you put in for 20% off, and it's valid until the 22nd of May. So yeah, I'll definitely be going in and having a look on their website. So yeah. So I'll just recap everything that I've got. So it's the Dr. Teals Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution. This might potentially be enough for 1 or 2 baths. It doesn't actually tell you here how much to put in, but I know you do have to put quite a lot in. So I will need to check the website to see how much. That's a shame. It's kind of a bit missing, isn't it, how much you actually need to put in your bath. Doesn't tell you what to do with it either. Yeah, interesting. So I will need to kind of look that up. The Natura Muru Restoring Hair Mask, really excited to try that. Didn't realise that was such a great ethical company either, so I will be definitely getting on to them. A detailed eyeliner brush from, this is another good company. Look good, feel better. I think this is a freebie. The Earthkind Shampoo Bar, looking forward to giving that a try. I will do a review on the other ones because they're fantastic. The Wella Colour Brilliance hair mask, I'm going to keep that until I actually get my hair coloured. The Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, fantastic brands. the Anika Organic Rose Petal Lip Cream. That's going in the beauty bag. The Eyeliner Lash Adhesive, game changer, who knows. The Sport FX Hit Highlighter and the Zoeva highlighter palette. So guys, let me know what you think. It's certainly worth its money for me anyway. And yeah, let me know if you get this box and what your favourite item was. And I'll speak to you soon. Thanks guys, bye.